I hope you all are fine. This is just a little recipe which I thought I would share. It turns out really nice with everyone and it goes well with the children also, and it's not so fancy but it is very wholesome and comforting to have. So today we are going to learn Parsi style masoor. Okay, for this we have taken ingredients. We have soaked half a cup of black masoor, and I have also chosen to put the curry leaves inside so that they soak, and when they absorb the water they become more fresh. Then we have taken a bowl of onions, half tomato, and these are your regular masalas, absolutely regular, which you find at home: red chili, dansak masala, and your turmeric. And this is your adrak lasan paste. Okay, so let's begin. This is a cooker, one pot dish, very simple, doesn't need any fancy stuff. You can cook it right away. If you soak the masoor at night, you can make it in the morning faster than possible. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heats up, we're going to add the onions which we have chopped inside. Wait for the onions, we have to get a little pink. Not brown definitely, they have to be pink, translucent, so that they get cooked. Then add your tomatoes. Once the fragrance of the onion starts releasing, add the tomatoes. It's on the high flame. I have put it on a high flame so that it gets done quickly. Once the onion tomatoes together start releasing their flavor and they become soft, you're going to add your adrak lasan paste. Lovely flavor of the adrak lasan. Then the next step is to add the soaked curry leaves. At the same time, you can add a little bit of water in which you soak the masoor at night. The black whole masoor, this is what we are talking about. You can increase the flame. Once again, lovely flavor of the adrak lasan. It has to be properly cooked and the flavor has to come out. In this we are going to now add our masalas. Once there is a little water inside, so that the masalas don't burn when you add the masala. You're going to take around half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric, and about 1 full heap teaspoon of your dansak masala. If you want a darker color, you can add a little bit more, half teaspoon more. Now, once again, the masalas have to be cooked properly. What you can do is lower the flame, add once again a little bit of water. Now you will get the lovely fragrance of all the masalas which are getting cooked by the onion and tomato. We'll just cover it for a few seconds with the cooker lightly. We'll just cover it. There's no whistle at this point in time. At this point, you can also add in, those who are non-veg eaters can add in mutton at this point, or those who are vegetarians can add in Nutella. Nutella is once again a nutritious and a protein option. Once you add Nutella in it, the protein content of this masoor goes in really more high. So it's very good for the children. At the same time, the taste is not affected. Now you will add in the soaked masoor. now goes in your salt. And give it a quick stir. Okay, and now you will close the cooker and it sits there for around a whistle. Once the whistle comes on high flame, you will keep it for 10 to 12 minutes.